Ever think coconuts were just a beachside snack? Think again. This tropical wonder is a one-stop shop for hydration, nutrition, and even beauty care. From the refreshing coconut water to the rich, creamy meat, this is one fruit you'll want in your life. Let's crack open the truth about coconuts. The coconut, scientifically known as Cocos nucifera, is much more than just a tropical icon. It's a versatile fruit packed with nutrients, making it a staple in many cultures. From hydrating coconut water to rich coconut meat, and even the oil beloved in both the kitchen and beauty world. Every part of this fruit is a natural gift to your health. Whether you're looking to fuel your body or pamper your skin, coconuts have you covered. Now let's talk coconut water, the natural thirst quencher. It's packed with electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and sodium, making it the perfect hydration booster, especially after a sweaty workout. It's like nature's sports drink, but way healthier. Plus, it's low in calories and sugar, so you can hydrate guilt-free. Think of it as the ultimate beachside refreshment, not just for tropical vacations, but for your everyday health. Here's the cool part. It's great for your heart too. Coconut water helps regulate blood pressure, thanks to its high potassium content. Just remember, if you've got kidney issues, you might want to chat with your doctor before downing too much of this tropical goodness. Let's talk about the real treasure inside coconuts, the meat. Coconut meat is packed with healthy fats. In fact, 100 grams of coconut meat contains 33 grams of fat, which gives you 50% of your daily fat needs. But don't worry, these are good fats, the kind that give you energy and keep you going without being stored as extra fat. It's like a tropical energy boost. You'll also get some protein, 3.3 grams per 100 grams or 6% of your daily needs. Plus 15 grams of carbohydrates, which provides slow-burning energy, keeping you fueled throughout the day. Coconut meat is also full of important minerals. It's got 356 milligrams of potassium, which covers 10% of your daily needs. Potassium is great for keeping your heart and muscles in check. And with just 20 milligrams of sodium, it's a low-sodium snack option. Oh, and did I mention? Coconut meat has zero cholesterol, a win for your heart. What's more, coconut meat is full of fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. So the next time you snack on some coconut, know that you're giving your body healthy fats, protein, fiber, and important minerals, all packed in one delicious bite. Coconut oil is not just for cooking, it's a multitasker that can be used in so many ways. Whether you're frying, baking, or even moisturizing, coconut oil is your go-to solution. It's packed with healthy fats, just like coconut meat. These fats are mainly medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are great because they provide quick energy, help boost your metabolism, and are less likely to be stored as fat. But that's not all. Coconut oil has amazing benefits for your skin and hair too. Its natural antibacterial properties make it perfect for soothing dry skin or even as a natural moisturizer. Having a bad hair day? A little coconut oil can smooth out frizz and give your locks a beautiful shine. It's like a beauty product and cooking ingredient all in one. And don't worry, using coconut oil in moderation is key. It's still a fat after all. But it's a healthy fat that your body can easily break down and use for fuel. So, what's the verdict on coconuts? From coconut water that hydrates you after a long workout, to coconut meat packed with healthy fats and fiber, and coconut oil that's perfect for both cooking and self-care, it's clear that coconuts are a true superfood. Whether you're sipping, snacking, or moisturizing, coconuts have something for everyone. And they're not just good for you, they taste great too. Who knew staying healthy could feel so tropical? That's a wrap for today, folks. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed learning something new, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with all our latest content. And hey, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. Got any coconut tips or other superfoods you'd like us to cover? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy and keep it tropical.